See these two guys? They made $7.6 million on a single 6-hour live stream. But here's the wild part. Neither of them was real. That's right, they used AI avatars, basically digital clones. And that show drew in over 13 million viewers, even outperforming their human hosted stream. I know it's pretty crazy, but that's the world we're living in. And here's my question. If there was a version of you out there that could present, teach, sell, or promote products all while you live your life, how fast would you set that up? If you stick with me in this video, I'm going to show you how to build your own on-camera twin in just a few simple steps. Make it look like you, sound like you, even turn it into real income streams if that's your goal. Even if cloning yourself isn't your style.
Clones?
Maybe you don't want to be the face of your brand. No problem. I'm going to show you how to use AI actors to do all the talking and selling for you. So the tool we're going to be using to accomplish this is InVideo AI. And I'm not talking about the old InVideo. I'm talking about the new and improved InVideo. They just dropped a feature called AI Twins. And this is a feature that makes a digital twin of you. Same voice, same face, same vibe, literally everything. But why I'm so excited about this new feature is because no doubt this will help you post more, scale more, and make more money, all without you having to film more. Most creators try to juggle between 4 different tools: voiceovers, scripting, editing, captions, and they still have to resize the video for every platform. Well, InVideo AI does it all in one. Plus, you're able to tune your AI twin just by typing in what you want. You can make it more energetic. You can swap out the music. You can translate it to any language you prefer. If you don't want to be the face of it, you don't have to. There's a presenter mode that I'll share later. So now let's show you how to set this thing up. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is head over to InVideo AI. And if you want to do this with me, you can access it by the link below this video. I promise you, I'm going to make this as easy as possible. So if you are a beginner and you are just now learning these AI tools, this video right here is going to be a step-by-step process. If you need to pause this and rewind it, do it as much as you need it. Save this video. So after you create your account, you log in, it's going to bring you to this home page. The first thing you want to do up here in the top left-hand corner, you want to click on Create AI Video. Then it's going to bring you to this page right here. Now from this tab, you want to click V4.0. This is InVideo's most advanced option, and this is the option that we're going to be using today to clone ourselves. Next, inside this box, you want to click AI Twins, and then you're going to see this panel pop up. Up top here, you got a few options. You got avatar clones and you got UGC actors. We're going to get into the actors a bit later. For now, we're going to go with avatar clones, because this right here is going to build your digital twin, your voice, your face, your expressions, and everything. Once you select avatar clones, you want to use recording to avatar. You got clone your voice and you got YouTube to avatar. Now this right here is a great option if you already have a YouTube video out there, because you can simply just go to that YouTube video, grab that URL, and paste it in this box right here. But if you don't have a YouTube video, don't worry, because I'm going to show you how to build it from scratch. So you want to click recording to avatar. And then you want to follow these simple instructions. You want to upload at least 60 seconds of video footage. Now, if you do 2 to 3 minutes, even better. But all is required is just 60 seconds. And I'll leave you guys a script that you can follow. This is the same script that I use to create my avatar. So you won't have to guess it. You could just insert your name. The next thing you want to do, somewhere inside the video, you want to say, I give InVideo AI permission to clone my avatar in this workspace. Simple. Doesn't matter where you put it. Beginning, middle, end, doesn't matter. When you're recording your video, I want you to keep in mind that you don't need a $2,000 camera. You don't need a $500 microphone to start with. If you already have it, great. But if you don't, you can just use your phone. Just make sure that you're in a quiet place. Turn off the AC, the fans, shut your door, and just record. Now, you do need some lighting. If you have a window, open it. If you have a lamp, just put it in front of you so it can light your face. And once you have your avatar recorded, you can simply click right here where it says choose files, or you can just drag and drop it. So I'm going to do that now. So before we can move on, we got to check all these boxes here to make sure everything is good to go. After you do that, you want to click on looks good, and InVideo AI is going to go out there, create your digital avatar, same face, same voice, and your twin is ready to do whatever you tell it to do. So here's mine right here. InVideo makes it easy to create studio quality videos fast so you can focus on growing your business instead of learning complicated software. There you have it. Now, anytime I need to post a new video, I can come in here, select my avatar, and type in the idea. That's it. And it'll do all the talking for me. Now, I'll demonstrate that here in a few, but here's a pro tip. If you want to have your avatar with different clothes on, different scenes, you could just simply come in here, repeat those same exact steps that I just showed you. Just change your outfit and switch spots if you want different scenes. That's all you have to do. And they'll be added right here for quick access. Okay, now let's perform some magic. Let me show you how to create videos from your avatar so you can post them wherever you want to post them. It's real simple to do. Just select your avatar that you want to use. I'm going to go with this one right here that I just created. And then it's going to bring you back to this prompt page. Right here is where you give your twin the job. What I mean, you basically just simply type in what you want it to say and how long you want it to say it. If you want to talk about fitness, finance, recipes, whatever your niche is, that's where you add it at, inside this box. This is what I got so far. Create a 30-second explainer video about how beginners can use done-for-you digital products to start earning online. Keep it simple and beginner friendly. Just a couple lines. Now, if you want to add a script in here, you can. If you want to go to ChatGPT to create some prompts for you, it's really easy to do. I'll also leave you access to some example prompts that you can check out if you want to. And then from there, all you have to do is just click generate. InVideo is going to read your prompt and start setting everything up in the background. And this is what InVideo put together for me so far. Getting started online doesn't have to be complicated. That's why I always talk about done-for-you digital products. These are ready-made ebooks, courses, and templates that you can start promoting right away without spending months creating something from scratch. All you do is plug them into a simple system that handles the delivery for you and then focus on driving traffic. That's it. Beginners are using this exact approach to land their very first commissions online. And if you stay consistent, it can stack up fast. I know, it's wild, right? Studio quality video with my face doing the talking like I filmed it, except I didn't. No camera setup, no editing, and no retakes. All I had to do was just type in a few lines, and then InVideo handled the rest. It handled the voice, the visuals, the captions, and the music. This really is a cheat code for anyone who's too busy to create content. All right, as promised, remember what I said at the beginning. If cloning yourself isn't your thing, maybe you don't want to have a digital clone of yourself floating around on the internet. Maybe that feels weird to you. Well, don't worry, because I'm going to show you how you can use a presenter to do all the talking or selling for you. All you have to do is go back into InVideo, and then you want to click on AI Twins again. But this time, instead of using avatar clones, you want to choose UGC actors or UGC virtual actors. Then you can scroll through these and pick any presenter you want. You can choose the one that matches your brand the most, or pick multiple. It doesn't matter. There's plenty to choose from, and they're always adding new faces in here all the time. And let me open your mind to the power that you have here at your fingertips. You're able to take full control, whether it's your avatar or these UGC actors. You can get them to say anything. All you have to do is just type it in. Why is that amazing? Because you can use them to run ads. You can get them to make quick testimonials for social proof. You can also have them to make explainer videos, product demos, almost anything you can imagine without having to get in front of a camera. And no, you won't have to go to Fiverr and spend thousands of dollars on actors anymore. Now, when you're ready to use one of these, just pick the one you want and you basically repeat the same exact steps you did for your avatar. You click on it, then it's going to bring you back to this page. Type in what you wanted to say and then click generate. And there you have it. If you want to try this tool out, you can access it from the link below this video and you can try it out for free. But if you're planning on posting consistently, I do recommend the generative plan because it's going to give you higher quality generations and it's also going to give you more credits to allow you to post multiple times on multiple platforms. And if you need help turning your videos into real income, I have a free group that you can join from below this video as well. I teach affiliate marketing. I teach all the strategies that I'm using on a daily basis to convert offers into cash. You can join it from below this video. I appreciate you for stopping by and I'll see you on the next one.